Now we will discuss partnership deed. What is partnership deed? It is also called articles of partnership. Partnership deed is also called articles of partnership. So what is partnership deed? Written document. As I told you that it's not necessary that the agreement between partner is in written form. It can be oral also, but to avoid any conflict in future, it is advised that there must be all rules and regulations should be written. So a written document which contains the terms of agreement between partners is called partnership deed. So what are the points that contains in partnership deed? Each and every point related to partnership business is contained in partnership deed. For example, name of the partnership firm, name of the partners, capital contributed by each partner, profit sharing ratio of the partners, how much salary given to each partner, interest on capital to partner, whether it is given or not, interest on drawing charge from each partner, and method to solve any dispute, rules regarding admission of a partner, rules regarding retirement of a partner, rules of Garner versus Murray, which you will discuss in further classes. There is the rule of Garner versus Murray in case of insolvency of partner. We will discuss it later on. So all the rules and regulations of partnership can be discussed in partnership deed. But what will happen if partners don't have any kind of written document? In that case, rules according to Partnership Act 1932 will be followed. So what are the rules that should be followed in the absence of partnership deed? If there is no partnership deed, then how they will treat any kind of dispute? The first rule is that is applicable in the absence of partnership deed is equal profit sharing ratio. Each partner have a right to share the profits in equal ratio. Second, no interest on capital should be given to any partner. Third, no interest on drawing should be charged from any partner. No salary to any partner for his extra work. 6% interest on loan must be given if any partner has provided loan to partnership firm. And next, no admission without consent of all the partners. And the last we have already discussed inspection of books. Every partner has a right to inspect the books. So these are the rules which should be followed in the absence of partnership deed, and it is partnership deed. Thank you.